One word to describe today's weather.
Nuts.
The Palencia community in St. Johns County getting hit with heavy rain and wind. Lightning providing a show like this one in Mandarin. Meantime, a second night of flooding from downtown Jacksonville to the Switzerland area of northern St. John's and Brentwood, where some vehicles were even damaged. We just checked. JEA is still working to get the lights back on for about 2,900 customers.
Yeah, the storm's packed a lot of lightning, and that may have contributed to a house fire in Nocatee. Our night cam is taking live to the scene where fire rescue crews told us just minutes ago that crews are still putting out hot spots inside the home. This is on Paradise Valley Drive. A viewer sent us this video showing the flames just shooting up from that home right after the fire started. This was at around 6 o'clock. You can see lightning in the skies behind it, too. But at this point, fire rescue is only saying it's investigating all possibilities of a cause. A little earlier, our night cam was able to get a little closer to the home to see the damage. You can see most of the second story just destroyed. One neighbor told us the fire sparked in the middle of that wild weather.
The lightning came and struck the alleyway right behind me and completely knocked out the power to my house. And that's when I went to the garage and another lightning hit, and I mean it was powerful. And that's when I opened up my garage door, and that's when we saw the house, on fire.
Well, we know the family who lives in that home was able to get out safely. Their family pet had to be rescued by fire crews. Firefighters gave the dog oxygen.
We want to show you that intense video from the very top of our newscast. Again, this was shot in Palencia. Tish Murphy reporting this for us, and you can see how hard that wind and rain whipping the trees there. That area saw 2 inches of rain this afternoon. Fruit Cove saw 3.2 inches, and Jacksonville's west side saw 2.6 inches of rain. So these storms also causing problems for commuters as we receive reports of traffic lights out. These lights at Sunbeam Road, they caused some of the backup you're seeing in that video right there. Our coverage tonight begins with Channel 4's Eric Avanier joining us live with an update. And Eric, you were in the middle of a live report when we saw vehicles being damaged by gas tank lids that floated away.
That is correct. In fact, right now we're still at the intersection of Liberty and 21st, where, as you can see, flooding is no longer an issue. But I got to tell you, a little close to 5 hours ago, it was at this corner where floodwaters were actually pushing in this direction toward this gas station, causing some very reckless conditions for drivers who were pulling up. This was the scene around 5:30 Monday evening as heavy rain caused this intersection to become lost underwater. Vehicles that sit high enough drove through easily, but that created waves of water that pushed toward this gas station on the corner. They were strong enough to lift the lids that covered buried gas tanks below ground. Watch what happened in the middle of my live report at 5:30. One woman has said that her car has stalled about a block. Oh, low. Right here. What you're looking at right there, a truck. Oh, my God. Okay, that is the top of the gas tanks. The water is, there's so much water here, that water is forcing those tops to come up. The driver of that truck was not happy.
I come to the service station every day, and I pull out the same way. It wasn't no hole there. And then I fell in the hole, I bent one of my rims, messed up my rim.
But he wasn't the only driver whose vehicle was damaged here.
I was about to get some gas, and I ran over a big old hole, big old hole, and scratched my rims up.
The owner of this car didn't want to talk on camera, but says she was driving through deeper water on the street when she hit something she couldn't see, and that damaged the bottom of her vehicle. Back here live, this is the cover that came off that you saw in that video. It is now back on. There is a something on top of it just to let people know that, hey, it's dangerous to drive on this. I've been told from an expert that tomorrow a crew will have to come in here and actually pump the water out of here because if we get any more heavy rain, the same thing will happen again. Reporting live, Eric Avanier, Channel 4, the local station.